Hello everyone and welcome to my Marketer's Boost review. I'll be going through all the main features, the highlights, and I'll be going through my bonuses on offer if you purchase via one of my links. Now I'll show you this is the members area, this is the dashboard to create the notifications. But I'll show you my little bonus page. So the bonuses are available for the next, well obviously not 4 days from when the video goes up, but until the 27th. I'll go through a brief overview of what Marketer's Boost is all about. The pricing, so it starts at $27. It's a dime sale up to $37. So from the launch time of 3 PM Eastern, 9 PM UK, it will start at $27 and then go up gradually. The first upsell is the Social Boost, which is $37 with the downsell of $27. The second upsell is the Reseller package, which is $97 and a downsell of $67. And the Complete Done For You suite package site, which is a URL, a site, everything integrated, is $497. And it's some of the main highlights. So you get all the proven conversion boosting notifications. So people on the site, email notifications, this person bought this, and so on. I'll show you in the demo. It's straightforward to install. It took me maybe 10 seconds to install a script and about a minute for it to activate. You can fully customize all the notifications with your own colors, branding, and so on. It works with any website funnel builder. I use it on WordPress, but you can use it on ClickFunnels or anything else. The main feature is to build trust in your site, so people see that there are other buyers on your site and other visitors. You can create FOMO, fear of missing out, flash sales, coupons, countdown times, and so on. And in the future, I'll add more features. Now, this is there's a little demo video here to watch. Shows you most of the features that are in there right now. And these are my bonuses. So the first bonus I've got here is a tutorial on how to get 200 daily buyer leads. Now with these buyer leads, you can promote anything you want to them. You can promote your blog, your website, your store, affiliate products, and these are all real buyer leads. And now following my tutorial, you'll get up to 200 per day. You can build up a massive list. So with this Marketer's Boost, you've got some traffic to boost up your site. The second bonus is a ads course called The Lost Code. The third bonus, I'm jumping ahead of myself. Third bonus is the Fuego Multiplier, which is an ads and traffic course. The fourth bonus is the Secret Weapon, which is also a traffic course. You'll pick up a lot of tips from here. And the last one is all the vendor bonuses. I believe there's 11 bonuses, so you'll get the details to grab all of those. Now to get all these bonuses, just click on any of these green buttons on this page, and you'll be taken to checkout, and then you'll see your bonus details in your Warrior Plus account. So let me get into the app itself. Okay, so I'll show you actually how I added it to WordPress. So it's very straightforward. Let me just pull up the screen 1 second. So when you log into your account, you'll be asked to install a script. So you copy this 3 lines of code here, and you paste that into your WordPress or your website, your HTML page or funnel builder. And in WordPress, I use a plugin called Headers and Footers. Just search for Headers and Footers, and it's got a section here where it says scripts and the header. So just put that code in there, press save. And it takes about 30 seconds, a minute, maybe a bit longer, depending on if you've got caching or on your host. But then your site should appear in the list as ready to use. And then once it's ready, you can click on Create Campaign. There's a couple I've made here, and you go into Create a Notification. This is where the fun is. So the first one is an information bar. So that'll be along the top or bottom, where it will be like a notice saying flash sale, or closing for this period or whatever. You can have an image like this. So a big pop-up like that, so when people would enter your site or they're about to exit, you can have a pop-up like that. A collector bar, so you can quickly and sneakily just put a little notification that they get into the email address. A coupon bar. So again, you can customize these completely, and also you can change the placement, also remove all the branding. Button bar, call to action button there. I'm not going to go through all of them because there's quite a few to go through, but I'll just show you a couple that I'm going to use when I buy this. Okay, email collector, obviously. So a nice little pop-up box to grab some quick emails. Live counter, that also helps people to see how many people are on your site and to know that they're in good company. Social share, maybe. Let me see what that looks like. Okay, just pop up little social share. Random reviews. So if you've got a shopping a shop, you can add. You can have random reviews. So let's go to this one. So it'll be the name of the. You can actually add the name of the person from your WooCommerce or wherever your store is. You can put in the reviews and the star ratings, and it will pop up randomly around the site or on the product page. You can have feedback requests, which I've seen a lot of these. Latest conversion. So if you've had a sales, just say X person bought this X number of minutes ago, or hours ago, or days ago, and all sorts of countdown. So if you've got a sale, say look, it's a sales ending in 1 hour, and then hopefully people start jumping on it. So let me show you some examples. Okay, so this is just a demo site. Let me refresh it. So I'm scrolling down, see the email pop up here. And active visitors, yeah, I know there's none on the site, it's just me on the admin. But as you can see, it disappeared because I set it to disappear, and that one disappeared too. So let me refresh it again. You can set it to only show once. And now it's saying one visitor. Okay. So let me show you inside the settings. Actually, let me show you the one that I made. Oh, this one. Oh, this one. I think I made it the wrong way around. Okay. Okay. So you go to edit. Oops, sorry, not this one. Active on site. This is the one. Okay, so you can count it from the last few minutes. 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you want. The triggers, you can have it delay for a few seconds. When people are going towards the exit, it will pop up. Or when they scroll, so we can do a 50% scroll or 25% scroll, and it will pop up then. You can have it once per session, once per browser, all the time. Now, for some of them, you don't want them all the time because they're a bit intrusive. So you want to have it pop up occasionally, so you're not really pushing the customer or the visitor away. You can opt to have it on small screens or not, or only on large screens or not. And there's some minimum data activity needed to show it. So it's not going to show it if you had 1 or 2 visitors. So if you've got a medium busy site, you can say 100 visitors, and then it will pop up. The display, so how long it will show for, so you can have as many seconds as you wish. I had mine in bottom left, but you can have it in top left, top center, all the different options here. You can display a close button or just have it fixed and they can't close it until it closes itself. You can display branding or turn it off. And customize, you can change all the background colors, the font colors, styles, everything. And the animations here as well. So this in a nutshell, actually no, sorry, before I leave, let me just quickly show you some of the tutorials they've made. So you get full walkthrough, how to install it, troubleshooting. Now with some, I think with WordPress as well, there were some issues where people have caching on or they have hosts that might give them problems. They just go through a quick tutorial troubleshooting guide on how to make sure that it's installed properly and working. Then it goes through how to add a notification, how to customize the design, the behavior, how to add a video to the video widget. You can even have a Shopify pixel. They use Sendio email integration, but they will have more coming soon. And they've got a spelling mistake there. And a spelling mistake there. Zapier integration. how to use webhooks over Zapier and so on. And that is it in a nutshell on how it works. So you've seen all the different options here. Now, in my opinion, the two that I'll be purchasing. 1 second, where the price is here. Because I've got a few websites, so I'll definitely be going for the front end version and the social version. I don't need to resell it, but these two, I think they're the best two to go for. And for about $54 if you get it quick, you can have a really good unique marketing system to increase the trust of your website, and your visitors will trust when they see more visitors on their site, they see the review. And the main focus of this is social proof, and so people can see what other people are doing, how they're interacting with your site, and what they're doing. I'm going to show you a quick example of a similar product. So this is Proof Source, another social proof platform, and for a similar package they're charging $45 per month. That is per month, not a one-time price. With Marketer's Boost, what's the pricing on? Sorry, it's just one-off fees. So for now, it's just one-off fees, and you get it for life. And again, even their starter package is $18 per month, but you can't remove branding, and you get limited visitors, and so that's why even I'm going to purchase this, and I think it's a really, really good product. And if you've got a WordPress site and you've tried products like I've used Convert Pro, I found it a bit slow and a bit clunky and a bit resource hungry for my WordPress site. I didn't like the pop-ups, didn't look that great, but this actually, because it's just a pixel, it's grabbing data from their servers, it's actually quite a bit quicker. It takes a load off your servers. If you've got standard WordPress hosting where you haven't got very powerful hosting, you can quickly just install a pixel and get all these social proofs on your site without any load on your server, on your hosting even. So yeah, that's why I think it's definitely a really unique product to go for. And it's launching, let me go through it one more time, it's launching, 1 second, on Friday 24th, 3 PM Eastern, 8 PM GMT, and 9 PM UK. So please, if you do want to buy and you do like my bonuses, click on any of these green buttons, and I'll see you in the next review. Thank you, bye bye.